A.
Piss take.
Production.
You can see with this Akrapovic exhaust that there's one bolt just between the carbon and the end can here, and there's the baffle. One bolt holding the baffle in. I'm gonna just shave a little bit off with the Dremel drill and see if I can get a spanner onto that and just to undo that nut or undo that bolt. So only a trained professional should do this. Come on. So as you can see, there's that one bolt right in there. I've undone it. Now the trick is I need to get it out so it doesn't fall in the end can. The issue is that this Akrapovic friggin' exhaust, they've sealed off the carbon so it's one piece. They think they're clever. This exhaust company think they're clever, but as much as I'm determined, I'm getting that fucking baffle out. I didn't buy an electric motorcycle. So this company, yeah, don't buy their exhausts. You want to do shit like that, do not buy them. What a fucking piss take. So I'm going to get that bolt out right now. There's two options. I can either undo this bolt so it is almost out. With it almost out, then I can pull the baffle out and then do the bolt back up and let it just stay in there. So that's one thing we can try to do. Might be enough. It's $1,000 pretty much thrown down the toilet. That's how much I fucking hate this company. And I dropped it. So yeah, that's unfortunately the only way to do it. Is shave a little bit of the carbon off. And I've dropped that little fucking bolt in there. So the other option, take the exhaust off, and so the nut falls here and I just grab a pair of pliers and pull it out. Or I just ride with the nut in there. Let's start her up. Just use some gloss nail polish and to seal the fibres. That's the price you pay to play sweet music out of that exhaust. Okay, just letting you know, the word on the street, I'm the most, the word on the street, I'm a motorcycle musician. Let's fire this bad boy up. let's test it. So that's how we roll with the solution to get the baffle out. Akrapovic, don't buy the exhausts if they're gonna do the Euro emissions and lock you out from your hard-earned money. Go elsewhere. But anyway, that's my solution. Thanks for watching.